Step into the lively world of Yugo, Minneapolis' 412 Lofts student accommodation, where student living becomes a tale of urban charm and academic adventure. Tucked in the lively heart of Minneapolis, this residence offers spacious 2- and 3-bedroom apartments and self-contained studios for you to choose from. Step inside the furnished bedroom and experience the thoughtful fusion of comfy bed, study station, spacious closet, and recessed lighting. When it's time to whip up a meal, the fully loaded shared kitchen with dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and oven has you covered. Now let's dive into its features. Yugo Minneapolis 412 Lofts is not just about the place. It's about the experience. Picture this: a 24-hour fitness gym for those workout sessions, a tanning bed for those chill moments, and a coffee bar to keep you fueled up for your academic escapades. Step out, and you're in Dinkytown, a student haven bursting with energy, funky cafes, and a vibe that's contagious. Need a dose of artsy vibes? Northeast Minneapolis Arts District is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, galleries and boutiques calling your name. And oh, did we mention the University of Minnesota and St. Mary's University are practically your neighbors. With buses and light rail stations literally at your doorstep, commuting is a breeze. Choose more than a place to stay, choose a daily chapter filled with the vibrant threads of city life. Head over to amberstudent.com to book your stay today.